First you need to extract the PRPC 8.7 file. If you don't have the file, please download it from Telegram link in the description. Now, before installing we need to allocate some space for the Pega server as for easy access. Go to Disk Manager, then select on then C drive and shrink the volume according to your requirement. I allocated 60 GB. Now select the unallocated disk or space and create a new simple volume and follow the steps which I am doing. So, this volume separation thing generally works for Pega in the system drive or the hard disk in which Pega is installed, so if would use any other hard disk like other spare disk in your system, then this would cause an error. Now go to the unzip folder. Then click the install file, click allow if asked for administrator access. Now click on agree, next, then select the disk which we created for Pega. I selected my 60 GB disk space and click next, check for port availability. It asks for Java platform security, just allow it. And wait for it to install. Now when the installation begins it shows two tabs output and error. The Tomcat server started running, but it got stuck. Then what to do? Just close all the application and launch the PRCP startup which is on the desktop. This takes time in general. The Pega first startup time is more the after the first. The second time you launch the application takes less time compared to the first time as it need to initialize this. At last, there you go, the Pega server has begun running. To stop, just click on the shutdown PRPC icon on the desktop.